Okay guys, welcome back for another video. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and I'm feeling this cute little top I got from Fashion Nova in my local mall. I'll try to find it on the website and have it linked down below. Today's going to be a hair tutorial, but I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of lotion on. Usually I would use my shea butter that I whip up myself, but I would have to get up. I be ashy in these videos and don't even be knowing it just because, you know, it's quarantine. You know, when you leave the house, you moisturize, put on lotion. But when you're quarantined and you have like small children and you gotta get like them in the bath, them in the shower, brush their teeth, put on lotion, make them breakfast, like it's 62 billion steps to getting them ready, and then turn around after all that and get yourself in the shower, out of the shower, and you're not going anywhere. It's very easy to forget a couple of steps like lotion in your routine. But of course, because I am an influencer, when I'm recording or editing my videos, I'm always reminded how ashy I be looking. So that is squared away. So today's hair tutorial will be coming from Wiggins. They gave me the wig, obviously, and then inside they also included some lashes. Now, if you've been watching my videos or just hair tutorials in general on YouTube for the last couple of years, you will notice that these companies are finally stepping their game up when it comes to the eyelash game. You guys remember they used to give those little sparse, skimpy lashes that nobody's gonna do nothing with? Now they give you like 3D mink, some good stuff that you can actually use. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my collection. They did include a red dust bag with their logo on it. This is one of those headband scarves that you can kind of you know, type your edges at night with. And then they also included 2 scarves. So this here, ladies and gentlemen, is the star of the show. Now I did unbox her a couple of days ago, so whenever I unbox it off camera and then like throw it back in the box, it kind of loses some of its like pizzazz, like that wow factor that you get when you first open a package, because it just goes back in there and gets like mangled and frizzy. But she's a beautiful body wave wig, and the reason I wanted to do her today is because she is full. And this is the inside construction of the cap. You guys see you get plenty of lace in the front center, and it is a frontal from ear to ear, so you'll be able to do baby hair from ear to ear. I really love how dense. What? Okay, go watch your movie, okay? So this is the center parting. You guys can see there is plenty of parting space there. You can definitely pluck and tweeze as you please. Not quite sure what style of hair I want to do today, but I am happy this one is nice and full. I will say that when you part it, there are lots and lots of flyaways, so for sure you will definitely have to add your wax. I'm a hustler, baby. You must not know me, baby. love you, baby. You the best. You the best, baby. My best friend. I love you.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Yeah, shit.
Hey, careful. Okay, wig is installed. Excuse the background. I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby hair. Okay, so I finished the curls. On this side they are dropping a lot, but this is a very heavy density wig. It's very full, so that is to be expected, especially because I didn't use any holding spray on the bottom half of these, whereas I used hairspray on every single one of these. And you guys can see I kind of look like Goldilocks. Before I go ahead and finish the style, I'm going to go ahead and add some concealer to the parting, and then some powder along the hairline, and then we're going to go ahead and pull the curls out and add a little bit of pizzazz to it. Let me know, does this one look better with it behind the ear on this side or to the front? I kind of like it behind the ear. If you know me, you know I'm a behind the ear girl, and that kind of sets off that baby hair. Okay, so I think I caught a vibe with this one. I like it better with this side behind the ear. I have a long Aaliyah style bang going right here. When I cut it, I did have to add a little bit of oil sheen right here because there was a little bit of frizz and flyaway. I'm still going to go in and bump it. I can even do some flat iron curls, and I think the flat iron curls will still hold a lot better than this curling iron. But if you follow me, you watch all my videos, you've seen me use this curling iron before, and every time I use it, I just don't have good luck with getting good curls with it, bottom line. So I'll have the details and the link to this one linked in the description box, as well as a list and links of everything I used to complete the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It'll help me out so much, and you can definitely become part of the tribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!